Hello everyone, I hope you are fine. Today we are going to see the shape tool in Pixellab. If you open your Pixellab for the first time, this is the interface. Just read the text. Click here. Click here, select your background color. I'm going to use this color here. Now come here. If you come here, you see some different items. Click on shapes. When you click on the shape, you can see the radius. The radius is basically the how you want the shape to look like, the outer to look like. So if you try and touch the radius, as you can see, it becomes circle. You can see. Let's say you want to add some title on your design, say buy now, shop now. You can increase the radius to some amount and try and resize the shape. This is how you can resize your shape. You can resize it like this. 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 You can also resize it like this. Okay. Now, if it's after the radius, we have fill opacity. This is the color inside. If you want to remove the color inside, just reduce the opacity. Okay, if you increase it, it will become, if you reduce it, the color will go. Now let's say you want to change the color inside. Here you can change the color from down here, fill color. There is one thing you have to know. If you are bringing a shape, you want to do fading color, I recommend you to do while creating the shape. You come to the gradient, you create your fading before click on OK. Otherwise, if you create the shape before and try and create a fading color with your color gradient, it will not work. The moment you click here and you get your shape, you come to the gradient color and click the plus button. You can reduce one of the side where you want the shape to look, the fading to look like. Let's say I'm going to reduce the white and I'll click the color here. I'll bring the color down, the transparent to 0. Okay, I'll click here. As you can see, now you can still edit it with here to bring it down small. See, now you created your fading. Okay, I didn't create it well. Let me correct it. Click here, come here, come here. As you can see, you can change the color to anything. But the reason why it's not working, as you can see, the reason why it's not working, this color is not a fading. So I have to create a fading with it before you can still see to work. Okay. You have to select the type of fading you want. As you can see, that is how you can create fading with your gradient. Now let's come to the shape. As you can see, now you can add a stroke to the shape by clicking here. The stroke weight, you can increase it and decrease it. You can reduce the opacity of the stroke too. You can change the color of the stroke to any color. Now here, the first one, make the border of the stroke somehow rounded. This one make it straight. As you can see, it looks like this one make it a rectangle, very straight line. Now the blur radius, let's say you want to do some neon effect, you can use the blur radius to do. As you can see, it has been blurring. You can see. If you want to do it, this is how you can. This is what the shape tool does. Basically, this is all. Now, one thing, let's say you don't want the inside color and you just want the outline, just reduce the opacity, and that's all. You are good to go. Change the color of your gradient in any. Now click OK. This is how the shape tool work. Okay, you can resize it and do the. Thank you for watching.